been a while since I made a video, so I thought I'd show what I've been doing with my 3D printer. The AnyCubic Mega Zero, I think it's the name of it. Anyway, so this is a Skyrim soul gem in a fancy holder. Well, kind of fancy. And all that's 3D printed. And you turn it on by twisting it like that. And there's no wires. Ain't that cool? And so yeah, I don't play the game myself. My kids play it, and they told me about it, and it's like, hey, I want to print that, you know. So well, I think it's pretty cool. All right, I'll put that off to the side. Next thing we've got is the SpaceKnight, and he does it. Let's see, it lights up, but this has a USB cord on it, so let's run the SpaceKnight. Uh-oh. Yeah, okay, that works. Now, put that down. Now this is a scene. Once again, I don't play this game, but my kids tell me about it. Among Us, where basically these astronauts there's like one that's trying to kill the other ones, and you're trying to put the bad guy out of airlock, basically, or something like that. You guys let me know if I got it wrong in the comments. But anyway, so this is my version of what the airlock would look like. And let me lock this up here. Looks something like that. It's hard to see, like a green LED and a red LED. I should have had them flashing, but you know, I didn't. But so yeah, that's some of the things I've been printing with my 3D printer, and allows me to practice my soldering with resistors and LEDs and whatnot. And so yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so until next time, this is Scotty with Scotty Animation, and I'll talk to you later.